name is Jazz and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you 6 DIYs that I made. They're super easy, super simple, and extremely budget friendly to make. I'm gonna be using things that I have at home. Please, I'm not trying to introduce you to go to any store and buy things. Try to stay home, stay safe, and try to be creative. Try to use things that you have already at home. I hope that you enjoy and have fun in today's video. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, as well as subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. Guys, remember to follow me on my social media pages. I have Instagram. I post so many pictures and stories every single day. I have my Facebook page that I'm gonna be uploading so many videos and I'm gonna be interacting with you. I have Pinterest and I have my webpage DIYbyJazz.com. You can follow me there. All the links are going to be in the description box of every single video. And yeah, let's get started to these DIYs.
Okay guys, so for the first project you will need a glass bottle that maybe you have at home, and I'm going to use a clear one, and it doesn't matter what shape it has. You will also need jute cord or rope. This jute cord is from Walmart, and what you have to do is stick the jute cord to the bottle with hot glue and start covering the entire bottle by turning it over with the rope or the jute cord. And guys, I'm not going to cover the whole bottle with the jute cord. I'm only going to cover like 2/3 because I want that you can see the clear glass bottle on the top. Once it's finished, I'm going to use 3 pieces of rope, and with hot glue I'm going to glue one of the edges, and I'm going to start making a braid. And once you're finished, you need to glue the end of the braid again with hot glue, so that way it is not going to come loose. From there, I will glue the braid to form the handles of the bottle, and you must make another one in the same way to stick it on the other side of the bottle. You can leave your project like this if you like it, but you can add another detail by painting half of the bottle with paint in the color that you prefer. I'm going to be using my Waverly chalk paint in white color. Once the paint has dried, you can put greenery or maybe flowers or leaves inside the bottle with the stems. And this is how your project is going to look like. This is the first project. It is super easy to make, and you can reuse any glass bottle that you have at home to make this DIY. For the second project, I'm going to be using this air filter. You probably had this at home, and you need to see what design it has. And you can use it to make a beautiful wall decor. In my case, I can make 2 wall decors using only one air filter because it has the same design on both sides. And what I'm going to be doing is very carefully is to cut the cardboard, the design that this air filter has. Once I have my design cut, I will paint it in black with my Waverly chalk paint and then let it dry. To create the frame, I'm going to use these steer sticks from Walmart. Each package has 3 sticks. I'm going to use 2 packages because I need 4 sticks in total. And I'm going to place them how they're supposed to go to have the idea of how much I must cut from each of the sticks to form the frame in the correct size. Before making the frame, I will paint the sticks with my Waverly wax in antique color. And to dry the wax, I'm going to be using my heat tool just to make the process a little bit faster. Guys, I love my heat tool and I highly recommend these to have at home, so I'm going to be leaving you the link in the description box of the video of where you can get it. From there, I just have to start sticking the sticks with hot glue to form the frame of the wall decor. To hang it on the wall, you can put a tip hanger or maybe a piece of wood cord on the back side, or you can put it on the top of the table or your mantle, and it's going to look beautiful and in a very high quality. Nobody will notice that you use an air filter for this project. For the third project, I'm going to be reusing one of these auto funnels from a Dollar Tree, and I'm also going to use one of these Dollar Tree candle holders. I have this candle holder for years and it is in metal, and what I'm going to be doing is to glue both pieces with hot glue and E6000 glue to make sure that it stays strong. To paint it, I start using my Waverly chalk in black color, but then I decided to use spray paint in ultra matte black because it was much easier. And once it is dry, you can put a candle on the top and you can add some greenery just to give it a spring touch, and I think it looks great. This DIY was very easy to make, and I was just reusing things that I have at home to create something totally different. This next project is one of my favorites. I'm going to use a piece of wood stick that I have at home. It is from Home Depot and it costs only $1. And I'm going to cut it in 3 equal parts with my saw machine. When you're cutting the sticks, one of the edges can be straight cutted, but the other side of each one of the sticks need to be cutted diagonally. From there, you can paint each one of the sticks, and I'm going to be using my Waverly wax in antique color, and I'm going to paint just 2/3 of each of the wooden sticks. Once they are dry, I'm going to be sticking these blue tape to form straight lines from where I want to change the paint color. You must place all the sticks together to have the tape at the same level. I decided to give it a color contrast using my Waverly chalk paint in white color to each of the sticks, and I give it 2 coats of paint, and once it is dry you can remove the blue tape. From there, you're going to need a piece of wood. I'm going to use this round plaque that I already had at home, and it is from Walmart. And I'm going to put 3 nails, forming like a triangle in the center of the round plaque. Once I have the nails placed, I know where each one of the sticks go. So I'm going to be placing them, and I'm going to finish putting the nails. Guys, the part of the sticks that are cut diagonally is the one that needs to be attached to the wood plaque. And the edges that are cut straight are the ones that go on the floor. Hope that makes sense. And when you put the 3 sticks where they go, you can put more nails if you think they need it to make an extra reinforcement. Once you have this part ready, this is how it's going to look. And I want to make a planter, so I'm going to be using this cookie container. It is a very good size. So I'm going to be using it, and I'm going to be painting these using my Waverly chalk paint in black or ink color. I give it 2 coats of paint to cover everything very well. And between each coat, I always use my heat tool. Once it dries, you can place it on the top of the wooden base, and then you can put greenery or maybe flowers if you want. And this is how our wooden planter will look like. It is one of my favorite projects, and it's perfect to add a really nice touch to your home. Okay, next project, and I'm so happy with this one. It is a dupe of this West Elm wood and glass terrarium that originally cost $149, and I'm going to recreate this project for a fraction of money. First, you need a piece of wood from a tree. Maybe you can get this in the patio of your house, but I actually get this one from a thrift store a long time ago. I just put some gloss spray to make it look like this. And you will also need a glass vase. This one is from Dollar Tree. To fill this, I'm going to be placing stones inside of the glass vase, and you can also put moss. And the one that I use is the reindeer moss. It is from Dollar Tree, and I think it is one of my favorite moss that Dollar Tree has. And you can also put moss stones, also from Dollar Tree, as well as succulents. The ones that I use are from Dollar Tree. They are plastic, but you can do this project adding real plants in soil. Guys, this is how the project turned out. I really like it. I think it looks amazing. I already had all the supplies at home, so actually this was a free project DIY for me, and I'm so happy. For the last project, I'm going to be reusing another round wooden plaque that I had at home from another DIY that I made. And I'm going to start by painting one part of the wood with my antique wax. And that way I'm going to change the color of the wood just a little bit. Then I'm going to stick a piece of blue tape to create a straight line between the color difference that I want to have. And I will be painting the other part of the wood in white color using my Waverly chalk. Once the paint dries, you can remove the tape, and now you can use maybe your Cricut if you have, and you can use stickers. I'm going to be using these foam stickers that I love. They are from Walmart, very cheap, and I'm going to paint the word family in black color just to change the pink color that it has. Once it is dry, I'm going to stick this on the white part that we paint. In the top of this wooden plaque at one side, I'm going to stick some leaves just to add a green touch, and also this small bow that I made. I think this ribbon it's from Hobby Lobby. To hang it on the wall, you can put a tooth hanger on the back side or a piece of jute cord with hot glue like I did. My loves, this will be the result of our last project. It is super easy to do, like all the DIYs that we made in this video. It looks simple but elegant at the same time. I don't know, sometimes less is more, and I think that in this DIY you can see that. And guys, like I always tell you, I hope that you like and enjoy and have fun in today's video, and hope that this video inspires you to be creative. And if you want, you can recreate this project by using things that you already have at home. If you like today's video, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel. Let me know in the comments which project was your favorite. Please subscribe and share this video and share some inspiration to your friends and family. Remember to follow me on my social media pages, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, as well as my webpage. All the links are going to be in the description box of this video. Mwah, love you so much. Hope you have a beautiful day, and see you on my next video. Bye.